You are alive. Exactly. What do you mean? Hello, yeah, good afternoon, everyone. So, welcome to the live session. Today, we are going to be trading gold live. And so, as we all know, that New York session is open. Okay, it has opened already. New York session opened by 2 p.m. And this is already 2 p.m. on Nigeria time here. So, let me show you my analysis and what I'm expecting from gold. Like what I always tell everybody, number one thing that we have to know is the directional bias of the market. Where is the market currently, as in the current situation of the market? So, and as a day trader, I start my analysis from 4 hour time frame. Now, let me go to 4 hour. This is my 4 hour time frame on good. Bullish momentum on a gold, and we are very, very bullish. We are still very bullish, but at this particular zone here, we have to be very, very cautious because it's at the level of a key zone whereby we expect the market to do what? To do a retracement movement back to this level here. Let me mark the level now. We'll be expecting the local to retrace to this place here around the 4,100 level. But this is a short time trade, as we know that for go to from this place to this place, it might take days for it to reach here. So we are not a swing trader. So I will go to 1 hour time frame. What is 1 hour actually doing? 1 hour is actually saying we are actually at a flip zone, which is the support market just break up, and which is a what? It's now standing as a support level. A support level. It's a resistance level when the market is here, and now is at price in the market. And you can see that the market have retested it here. So which means this are safe in the market. So in this New York session, I'll be expecting the gold to come and take out uh this high here, to come and retest this high here before we can have anything like a sell in this a pullback to 4 hour zone. So because I don't trade on 1 hour, I only trade on 15-minute time frame. Let's look at what 15 minutes has been seeing. Now, 15 minutes has given a very nice price action, very, very nice price action. As well, you can see this is a 15-minute break of structure. The market has already started moving here, which is a 15-minute low, break this structure. So this one we are having here is just a retracement movement back to this area. We can see that it has sweep liquidity. So let me go to 5 minutes. Maybe we already have an entry. Oh, every year is my sweet entry that I expect the market to give us what and as a sweet entry. So let's just see if market would come back to that level to test this to fill up this imbalance before we make an entry. And if not, we expect the market to do something like this. We expect market to do something like this. We test and fire up. So all I'm just preparing myself for in this session is that we are going for buy trade. So we are going for buy to come at this 15 minutes high here. So if you like with this place, I will be setting this place as my TP1, and I'll be setting the other the 1 hour zone as my TP2 where I'll be targeting. So let's just hold on. I believe that we will have a very trade as a very nice trade this new session, so that you can also make money. And if you are someone that's just joining my channel for the first time, please to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime am going live or I uploaded a video, you'll be the first person to also get notified to join me so that we can also do what you can you can be making money together, or you can be seeing how I've been taking trade, how I've been making decisions when it comes to trading. Not rushing to take action. Actually, market has given us an entry, but we still wait for market to give us 9 points. So, like we know, patience is also part of what is part of the trading skills that we need to acquire if you want to be. So let's just hold on. So I'm seeing a huge pullback to this level here. Okay, the market is already pushing up us to break this place. So let's wait for the second entry. Actually, the first entry, the market has already dropped the first entry before now, but let's wait for the second give us another entry before we rally up. So let's just hold on. We want to fund an account. There is a link on my under my comment section. You a pin message, a pin comment there. Click on that link. When you click on the link, it will direct you to a page whereby you can register for an account for the broker that I'm also using to trade. So make sure you register for an account, verify it. Their verification is very fast and very easy. You just need to upload your ID card, upload your bank statement or your utility bill to prove your address, and you get an account, you get funded. And don't forget, we are actually doing promo now. You can get 50% welcome bonus on your first deposit on any amount. Any amount you deposit as a first deposit, they will give you 50% bonus. Definitely, like for instance, if you deposit $100, they will give you extra $50, which means they will credit your account with $150. So you know that what you can trade with $150 is different to what you can trade with one. Give you more room to use big lot size so that you can also in the market. So I'm also preparing my account. Let me also so let's wait for the setup. Let's wait for the setup. I'm also sitting here. Let's wait for entry. We are going to make money this afternoon. We are going to make money this afternoon. Don't forget to click on the link that I pin on my comment section. Don't forget that link that with a broker that I'm using. The impact of a broker in being a successful trader is more really small. Maybe at the end of this session, I'll be talking about the impact of using a real broker, the broker that actually care about trader, that really actually care about you making money. Not all broker want you to be making money. There are some broker that you don't just want you to be working for them. But believe me, this broker, they are already here to equip you with every tools that you need to be a successful trader, from 50% welcome bonus to giving you so many benefits again. So go to the comment section, click on the link under the pin message and register for an account. If you have any issue, just drop your any issue you are having, just drop it under the comment section. If you can hear me, just type I can hear you under the comment section. If you can hear me, just type I can hear you under the comment section. Okay, no problem. Thank you. You are welcome, everyone. If you are just joining us for the first time, don't forget what I said. We are expecting by bullish movement in the market on this good. We are only trading good for this session. So actually, the market has been pushing up. We are waiting for some market to give us another entry. We've already missed an entry before we come live. So, all right, thank you. So if you can still hear me, don't forget to go under my comment section. You will see a pin message there, the comment I pinned. Click on that link, register for an account on the broker, and make sure you verify your account. They have a lot of benefit to give you, and the other part of them is 50% welcome bonus when you register for an account and as a new client. So and there are so many benefits that you can still get on their platform. So let's wait for this good. It's already pushing up. Like I said, it's bullish. The market is bullish. So let's just wait for second entry. How many people take my USD JPY sell buy yesterday? We are still having a very good run on that USD JPY. Just type USD JPY under the comment section. If you take my USD JPY trade, the trade we analyzed on the live session yesterday, just type okay, thank you. Well, $7 is also part of the money. At least you're happy for making $7, right? So that's part of it. So let's wait for this good. We are going to make money on this good. Don't panic, don't fear. Good is going to give us another hand. You are welcome. There's still more to come. There's still more to come. I've seen a lot of people ask me questions like, how can they be trading good without having a loss or anything? I always tell people there's no how you can say you want to be trading in the market without you having a loss. Are you getting my point? Because there's nobody, there's no magic strategy or no magic anywhere that will say, okay, if I give you this magic, you'll not be having it as a loss trade. You definitely have a loss trade. But what is then is that when you start blowing account, that's when something is wrong. Are you getting my point? So there is no trader that is not having a losing trade, but we have traders who are not blowing accounts. That's it. So losing a trade doesn't define you that you are not a good trader. No, you can lose a trade, you can lose two trades, but what is there is that you must not blow your account. That's when you must be able to know how to go and apply a very strong risk management on your trade. Risk management is part of our as it's part of the skills that we must acquire before we can say we are a successful trader. And like I always tell my students, don't over risk your account. Don't over risk. There are a lot of money for you to make in the market. So you not over risking on your dollars, and you don't need to over risk your account on one trade, because if you lose that one trade and you don't have any money to do in again, the most painful aspect of trading is that you go into your bank account to make more transfer from your account to your trading account. It's always very painful. Are you getting my point? So that's why you must, whenever I send a signal or I ask you to buy or sell, always make sure that you apply as a very good risk management or a proper risk management. So because what can make you money at the long run in this market is risk management, not strategy. There's no strategy that is not having their own loss in that will not have their own lose day. Are you getting my point? So let's still wait. Let's still wait. Let's still wait. What good is I would like go to come back to this level here. Let me see 15 minutes. Okay, we are having a very good run. We are having a very good run. Let's see how this candle will close. It's possible for us to go in. Let's still hold on. Gold is playing a mind game. I believe it's still going to drop to give us an entry. It's still going to drop. We feel. So what we want to see entry, but we don't see it. We let the market go. But I still believe this gold is coming back to give us an entry there. And this is my zone here. Low rushing. If you are just joining us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I come online video content, you get notified. And I the comment section. I want everyone to go there, click on the and register for an account on the with that broker. They are going to give you 50 on your first deposit just for you to have enough data to make a little reasonable money on their platform. So don't forget to click on the link. We are still here till 4 p.m. I don't think there is that 4 p.m. is too much for us since we are here to make money. So let's just stay. To make money too is not something that we need to rush. You get my point? So we are still here. We'll be here till 4 o'clock. Let's just hold on. I'm waiting for the second touch. I'm waiting for second touch. Because if you want to go in like this, it's too as in we are going to be as in we are going to risk over we are going to risk over 100 p that is my discipline for us to risk. 140 p is too high. 140 p. Don't rush. Market will still come back to give out. Let's stay on these 5 minutes so that we can have a drop. When we have a drop, we just go to know from 5 minutes because this New York is going to be a distribution phase, which is going to be very fast movement. I'm on 5 minute time frame. I'm on 5 minute time frame because we are looking for sniper entry. So I'm on 5 minute time frame for sniper entry. And please, don't forget, like I always say, tell people, risk management is one of the key skills you can have in trading. If you don't know how to manage risk in trading, even if you want to be a successful trader, you'll be losing because there's no trader that is not having their own lose. Every traders have their own losing trade. But what is different then is that beginners don't pay close attention to risk management. And risk management is one of the key skills you can have in trading. If you don't know how to manage risk, how will you know how to position yourself for next trade? Are you getting my point? So risk management is one of the key in trading. There's no how you want to say you want to become a successful trader without you applying a proper risk management in your trading. You and I know that we are not the one in position of this market. And no matter the strategy you are applying in the market, you definitely have a losing trade. When you are managing your risk very well, you properly manage your risk. As in, you will not be able to blow your account. You'll be scaling up your account. And some people ask me, and I promise some people that I will answer some question. They ask me that how do I practice my risk management? Yeah. How do I practice my risk management? I practice my own risk management due to my own emotional like emotion. We all know that the way all of us work to get money are different. The way I get my own money is different from the way you get your own money. So there are different emotional attached to every fund that we have in our trading account. So that's why you cannot say because you can afford to lose $100 now, next month you can still afford to lose $100. Sometimes $100 will be very small thing for you to lose, or sometimes it will be a big fund for you to lose. But when you put your emotion in check, like okay, oh, on this account, what is my emotion fund? Majorly, if I want to practice a risk management, this account I want to manage for this week, I want to take 3 trades on the account. How much do I want to risk per trade? I already calculate as in I will have as in you can't do without having a as in trading without having a proper plan. You must have a trading plan before you say you want to be plan if you want to be trading. Because part of your trading plan will be like, okay, how much do you have in your account? How many times do you want to risk the money that you have in your account? And how many times do you want to risk it in a trade in the market? Some people that $100 they want to risk it for 1 month. So definitely you have to divide your how many weeks do you have in a month? That's 4 weeks. You have to divide your $100 by 4, which means you are having 25 dollars for each week. So each week, how many trades do you know that if you take in a week, it's going to be at least you are going to, with your strategy, you are going to have a winning trade. Someone like me now, that $25 will just divide it to 3 because I know that once I enter 3 trades, I win one. And that one that I'm going to win it's going to fit as in it's going to recover my account from the two trades I lost, and it's still going to give me a very reasonable profit. So that's when I always divided my account into 3 weeks. Every week I trade just any amount I want to risk in a week. I divided it into three phases. So I made sure that okay, oh, I want to trade this account. So that's how I practice my own. You might not use as in I'm not compulsory that you should use my own, but you should put your emotion in check. Like, okay, this fund that you have here, how many times can you risk? How many times can you afford to lose to as a to do this thing, to take this trade on the account? Because you can't say you want to trade 3 times and you want to trade 3 times. I'm not saying it's not possible, but the probability is very low because you are not the one behind the market, or it's not my father that is behind the market. We have to understand all these things. So that's why if I call a signal out, make sure you apply proper risk management according to what your emotion can take, according to what your emotion. So let's wait. I'm still expecting a drop. As you can see that the market is reacting here. Market is already reacting here. So I'm waiting for a trade as in I'm waiting for a drop to this our zone here so we can join the buy. Any challenge, clicking on the link under the comment section, please. I'm still waiting for good. Let's use time to check what the USDJPY is doing. USDJPY might give us another. Let's see because it has broken this structure. It has broken this structure. It has broken this structure. So let's wait and see. So we might have a push as a push, but the market has already shown the sign that it's changing the character, going to change the character. So I will still have my highs check a signal here. I will send it to. If you have clicked on that link under the comment section, can you please drop your comment that I've clicked on the link. I'm waiting. Click on the link under the comment section and make sure you get an as a register for an account with it. And please don't forget to share the live with people that are with traders that you know around you, or you can share it on your WhatsApp status for people to also join us here. Let's invite more people to join us. At least let's help people to make money too. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay. Let's share the link of this of this live on our WhatsApp status. Share the link of this live on your WhatsApp status and send me the screenshot to my WhatsApp page. As on my WhatsApp, send the screenshot. I have giveaway for first 5 people that send their screenshot to me. I'm still waiting. The good has left us. Oh. Okay, thank you. This good is crazy, man. Good as in it's leaving us behind. Good what will leave us behind. And good is coming here. Oh. What the fuck? Yes, wait. Good is targeting 453 level. Ooh. Okay, no problem. I will check my WhatsApp after this live session and when I will connect with you. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for joining us. If you are just joining us for the you get notified anytime I'm going live like this or anytime I upload a video content on my YouTube channel. And go to the comment section. You will see a pinned comment under my comment section. Click on the link register for an account on that broker website, verify it with your government ID. It's very easy and very uh, stress free. So just form, verify it, and qualify yourself. Make sure you fund the account. They are going to give you 50% welcome bonus on your first deposit. For instance, if you deposit $200, they will be giving you $100 as a 50 as a welcome $100 in your account. And you know you can't compare $200 to $300. As in the way market see it are different. Are you getting my point? The lot size you can open on $200 is not the same thing that you can open on $300. Size on $300 compared to $200. So that's it. Go to the comment section, click on the link, and register for an account. We are still waiting for Google to give us a pullback. I'm still waiting for that pullback. He has given us an entry before we come live. So I expect Google to come back to give us another entry in this live session. See as good it flex must go up. Yeah? I want to break this level before it come back. Uh, Let me forget for USD JPY. Welcome everyone. If you are joining us for the first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I come on live like this or I upload a video content, you will get notified. And go to the comment section. You will see a link I pinned under the comment section. Click on the link, register for an account. You just need to fill some little name, as in little information, your name, your date of birth, and your address. And you verify it with your government ID, either NIN slip or NIN plastic, anyone you have on your international passport. Just verify the account. It's very fast and easy. And make sure you fund your account. They are going to give you 50% welcome bonus on your first deposit. Good is just flexing muscle, man. We have won 310 people now. Let's still be patient. Gold can still come back to come and do a retracement movement to come and give us an entry. Let's be patient. Okay. USGPY is already. So let's wait on that one too. If good want to give us something, at least let's USGPY give us something. Let me give some people opportunity. I believe some people here have watched my video or they've interacted as in they've come across my video and watched my video. So what's the challenge you are having in analyzing market on your chart or looking at your chart? What are the challenges you are facing? So let me give some people opportunity to uh, to address some people problem and let's see if we can within the time we are waiting for this goal to give us an entry. Do you have any challenge in trading? Is it risk? Is it strategy? Is it price action? Is it psychology? No, not the comment section. What is your major challenge in trading? Because this 2025 is ending. I don't want us to repeat the same problem, the same issue. I don't want us to repeat it next year. I don't want us to repeat it next year. So, what is the main challenge you are facing, was it that you face in this 2025 in your trading career? Let's address that issue. Let me know your challenge under the comment section. Anybody? If you have any challenge, maybe you are struggling with what's it called, price action, or maybe a strategy, or maybe psychology, or how to practice the risk management. Let me know that the comment section. Let me know your challenge so that we can address it now. Let's solve that problem now before we enter 2026. I want us to make real money, not all this small money that we make in this 2025. I want my students to dedicate card next year. Let me know your challenge under the comment section. Anybody? I'm waiting everyone. What's your challenge in trading? Tell me what you are challenging. What's your biggest challenge in this 2025? Or is it capital? Is it strategy? Is it price action? Is it psychology problem? Is it how to practice risk management? Let me know. Let me address that issue now. Or let me ask you this question. What is your biggest win in 2025 in trading? Your biggest win in 2025 in trading, what is it? Or how much do you make? Your biggest win in trading, how much is it? Yeah, good job, man. I'm waiting for our. I'm waiting for us under the comments. Oluyeshiu. Okay. Now, thank you, Oluyeshiu. You said price action. Now, let me tell you something that is very clear about price action. If you are getting price action wrong, there is no strategy you can apply in the market that will be you that you become a bitter truth. Price action. The price action that's already the price action. Who are the one fighting in the market? The fight is just between two people in the market, which is between buyer and seller. So buyer and seller. But when you study the price action very well, you will now get to know that okay, price action is just letting you know that who is winning the battle for the short time or for the long time. That's when price action comes into play. And for you to be able to read price action very well, you must be able to study candlestick very, very well. You must know how to study candlestick very well. And if you are as someone who has been following me for a very long time, you will get to understand how I define candlestick. Every candlestick have three things that combine them, which is open, close, and weak. Weak means that reflection, where the buyer and seller, where they struggle to, where they fight to. And open price is telling us okay, this is where the price open within this social time that they engage in a fight. So when they close, when they as in when we have close price means that okay, now this is where the price between when the buyer and seller they are fighting. Oh, when this round or this candlestick, every candle have their it depends on the time frame you put it. If you put it on 1 hour, each candle represents 1 hour time as in 1 hour. If you put it on 30 minutes, each candlestick represents 30 minutes. If you put it on 15 minutes, each candle represents 15 minutes. So you want to down now, let's now assume that you put it on a 15 minutes. Now, within 15 minutes, within that candle, buyer and seller will be struggling. Who is it should be in control? I should be in control. Who should be in control? I should be in control. At least all of us we know we watch wrestling, we watch boxing. That's how they as in both of them are fighting to know that okay, who have the last as in who can stand last. I get my point, who have more strength to stand to as in to still stand on the feet at the end of the fight. So within this 15 minutes, okay, no problem. Within this 15 minutes, are you getting my point? The buyer and seller are fighting within 15 minutes. After that 15 minutes, they will now say, okay, within that 15 minutes, the closing price will now determine who won the battle, whether a seller or a buyer. So if candle close as a bullish, we should know that buyer won the battle. And if seller is a candle close as bearish, seller won the battle. Now, the question is that who are the winning on the long time as in what's it called on the long time. That's when you have to go and use the multiple formation of candlestick to determine who is winning the battle. That's when we cross trend. We have three kind of market structure in the market, as in structure in the market. We have a uptrend, downtrend, and range market. When we are in range market, we tend to say, okay, we are in range market like buyer and seller, they are battling for the direction. But when we are in bullish trend, it shows that okay, buyer is the one winning the battle for long time for this trend. And if you are in bearish, we still that the seller are the one winning the battle at this trend. Now, for you to now get a sniper entry, that's when you come into play a role of support and resistance. Where is the support level? Where is the resistance level? Pick the relevant one. I've already teach you how to pick level in the market. And if you're someone that want to be picking demand zone, there are also support and resistance level. Like I told you, demand zone and supply zone is also a support and resistance level. So we must understand this price action is the foundation of forex trading. And what do you need to understand in price action? You need to understand candlestick formation. You need to understand market structure. You need to understand the trend. You know, when you understand market structure, you understand the trend. After the trend, you do what? You go and know reversal candlestick pattern and chart pattern. Chart pattern simply I'm telling you that this thing is repetitive as in the market. The image that market formed last year is still the same image that is forming this year. But because they are not on the straight line, that's why most of us struggle to identify them in the market. But if you have identified them, you never struggle with them again. So that we talk about price action very well before this year. I will send you the link to my Telegram channel. So you pick watch it very actively. Take your time to watch it. Please, if you are just joining us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I come online, like as in come live like this, or I upload a video, you first person to get notified. And go to my comments, go to the comment section, you will see a pin message on the link under that pin message to get an account with a broker that I'm using to trade. With a broker that I'm using to trade, get an account with them, and as in luckily for us, they are having 50% welcome bonus now. 50% welcome bonus. That means if you deposit $50, they will still give you another $25, which means your account will be $75. And believe me, this bonus they give you is withdrawable anytime, any day. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel too, and make sure you turn on notification bell. As we are waiting on this gold, the gold is still playing a mind game. I still believe that it's still coming up to this our zone here to come and give us another entry. So welcome everyone that is just joining us. Welcome. Don't forget if this is your first time here, subscribe to us and don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime I come online or I come live like this. And go to the comment section, you will see a pin message under the comment section. Click on that link to get an account with the broker that I'm using to trade. They are one of the best brokers in Nigeria right now. They are one of the best brokers, not because they give you a chance to trade, or every broker give you a chance to trade, because they have right tools to equip every traders to become successful on their trading career. So don't forget, click on the link and start making registration. So we are still waiting. Let me check for USGPY. Let me see if we have something that we can under. Oh, nothing yet. I'm still waiting on this good. I'm still I'm still waiting on this good. Let's be calm because gold is very crazy. Some as in they are manipulating some people here to enter buy. That's when you can see this stick now. Some people will have entered buy, and I believe that they are using this place to build liquidity for the market. So part of my motto is that no trade is part of trade. If you don't have trade today, tomorrow to go in with our money, it's better than it's better than we risk as in we waste our money uh, on a trade that is not valid for today. So let's just hold on. We are still on the live. We are going to stay here till 4 p.m. Like I said, we are still here. I believe we are going to have trade. Let's just hold on. So apart from price action, is there any other challenge again? Let me address that one again. I think I've addressed that price action issue. Any other one? Any other one? Oh my goodness. All right, no problem. I will send the link in my Telegram channel. I believe you are very active in my Telegram channel, so you will get the link in my Telegram channel. Just because it's already approaching my TP already. It's already approaching my TP. Go did not give us another entry again. We are still holding on. We are still holding on. Good is very crazy. Sorry, just give me a few minutes. I want to stop sharing the screen. I'm coming. Just give me a few minutes. So this is a if you can see my screen, just type I can see your screen under the comment section, please. If you can see my screen, just type I can see your screen under the comment section. you are seeing my screen, can you type? I can see your screen under the comment. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, thank you. Who else cannot see my screen again? Can you see my screen? Okay, right. Right. Welcome everyone. If you are okay, thank you. So if you are just joining us for the first time, please don't forget to join. To go to the link under the comment section. You will see a pin comment there. Click on the link and register for an account there. So and register for an account. Just put your name, your date of birth, and your email. So verify with your either N9 slip or N9 plastic. It's very fast and very easy to verify. And don't forget to fund because currently they are running 50% welcome bonus for your first time deposit. So definitely, if you deposit $100, they will be able to give you another $50 to join with your $100, which means you'll be having $150 in your account. At least $150 will be is a big enough compared to $100. Are you getting my point? So you'll be able to use big lot size and be able to make big money in the market. So don't forget. Click on the link to register for an account. And if this is your first time joining my live, don't forget to subscribe to my live as in to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I come online like this or I come live like this, you get notified. And anytime I upload a video, you can get notified for the video content. We are still waiting for Go to come and give us another entry. I'm waiting for it. It's already approaching our zone. It's already approaching there. Okay, it's okay. So this is the platform for market. You can see you can also analyze your trade here. There are a lot of tools that you can use. This horizontal line, this price line, anything. There's a lot of tools there. Every tools that are available on a trading view, they are also available here. So it's very be using your trading view and coming back to this place, which has just be swinging around, but just be on one platform to analyze your trade and take your trade there. So their platform is very easy to use and very easy to navigate around. In our zone, so we're just waiting for confirmation. To we all know I trade with my engulfing candle at my support level. Let's still wait. Mm, 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 mm. Don't worry, I'm still returning I'm waiting for the return leg. Like this leg here now to come now the second leg. Take out this place. I'm not really comfortable seeing this thing. I always see this kind of movement as inducement movement. As you can see now, it's already coming down. I always see this kind of movement as inducement movement. Like if you can see the rejection now, the market is still coming down. So let's wait for the second leg. Second leg when the market take out this particular place there. So and we now have our engulfing candle, which is a bullish engulfing. So we can also go out and take our trade there. Okay, let's wait. If you're in this live, just type as I'm still here. Okay, thank you. You can see now. When this place is being taken out, I want the market to take this place out first. This is this is why market is crazy. Okay, no problem. We are still here. We are still waiting for the setup. We are still waiting for setup. Is it the reason why it's not good to be driven by emotion? I think we have used emotion to enter this market blindly. This is how the market would have been coming back to take our stop loss. But this is the December period. We have to be very, very careful. You can see the dropping. So we are still waiting. God is crazy, man. Guys, my heart still glued on the chart. Gold is playing mind game. So we need to also be very, very calm. That's why for you to become a gold trader or gold digger, you must be a patient person. You and patient must be 5 and 6. You can see what gold is doing. That's why you see most time when I'm on the screen, there won't be set up, there won't be no signal in the Telegram channel. Especially these crazy days that gold is just moving anyhow. Gold is just moving without structure. So we need to be very careful. We need to be very, very careful. Don't forget everyone, the pin message under the comment section, click on the link, register for an account, verify it, and fund it so that you can also be able to get 50% welcome bonus from them. You know what that means? If you deposit $100, they will make your money to be 150. You know what you can do with 150 is different from what you can do with $100. So don't forget, click on the link, register with your name, email, date of birth, and verify with your ID card, either NIN slip or NIN plastic, anyone, or international passport or driving license, anyone you have, government issue ID card. And for the utility bill, you can use your bank statement or use your NEPA bill. But let's make sure that you carry the address that is you use to register. So the verification is very fast and easy. After that, make deposit so that you can qualify for their 50% welcome bonus on any amount. These are not the broker that say maybe if you deposit $50 upward or $200 upward or $500 upward before you can get their 50% welcome bonus. Any amount of money, any amount, even if it's 1,000, they will give you $500. If it's 2,000, they will give you $1,000. So don't joke, don't play with it. And use their platform. You can navigate around. It's even more easier than to use to navigate around on this platform than TradingView. So make sure you play with them and just make sure you get yourself familiar with them. Taking trade on them is very, very easy. You can see good after playing the serious mind game. So I'll be shutting down this live by 4 o'clock. If you have any question, drop your question in the comment section. So if we don't have trade today, tomorrow is there for us to go again. So make sure you save your account. Like I always tell my students, no trade is part of trade. Because if you go and force yourself to enter the market and you blow the account, where will you get fund to enter the right market tomorrow? So don't play with your money. Wait for the right setup for us to do what? To grow your account. So if you have any question, we still have less than 15. We have 15 minutes more to go. So make sure you drop your comment as in your question at the comment section. Let me attend to them now. And if I have a signal, even if it's in midnight, I will send a signal as in I will send you signal in my Telegram channel. If you are someone not in my Telegram channel, There is a link in the description box of this live video. Go to it. You will see a link that will direct you to my Telegram page. Make sure you join my Telegram page and always position yourself on my signal. I don't just say signal. I make sure I get confirmation before I send my signal out. People who know me, they know me very well. And like I said, don't throw all your fun on one trade. Risk management is one of the key in trading. It's even more important than you having a strategy, because there's no strategy that guarantee you 100% winning. But with your risk management, with your proper risk management practice on your account, you should be able to grow it and become a profitable trader. There's no trader that's not losing. What pro trader have ahead you is risk management. So make sure you always practice risk management on your account. There's no wrong trade and there's no right trade, but risk management is there to guide your account. So I will be sitting under the comment section taking question in the next 10 minutes. If you have any question, you can ask. I'm waiting. Any question? I'm still waiting. I'm waiting for any question. If you have any question, please ask me now. I'm still in the comment section reading comments. All right, thank you everyone. In the absence of no question, let's call it off for today. Actually, my bias for today is buy. The market push up. It gives us an entry, but before we join the live, that's when the market has dropped an entry. So tomorrow is another day for us to go. You should, like I always tell you, every day is not a day for that you should be trading. So today is part of the trade. The market is not giving us a trade. So tomorrow again by 2 p.m. tomorrow we are meeting again. Let's see what market will still have to offer us. All I know is that we are going to catch movement this week and we're going to make money for December. So if you still have any question, you go to my Telegram channel, drop your question. I'm very, very active there. And if you have my WhatsApp number, you can message me on WhatsApp, drop your question, I will attend to it. And for the last time, if you are just joining us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be part of first people to see the video and get notified. And don't forget to go to my pin message under the comment section, click on the link, register for an account. It's very, very easy to register. Just put your name, your email, and your date of birth. That's all. And in the account verification, you just need to verify with your government ID card, being NIN plastic or NIN slip or anything, either driving license or passport, anyone you have available. Just even if you have it on your phone, just upload it. The asset upload and upload the utility bill to prove as a proof of address. If you don't have utility bill, you can use the bank statement. If you are using OPay, print your OPay. There is a place that you need to mark that OPay should as in print it with your address. Make sure you mark that as in you mark that box and you upload it on their platform. Their verification is very fast and very easy. So after that, make sure you fund your account so that you can get 50% welcome bonus on your first time deposit. That's when I will hold you that you should deposit big money you can be able you can be able to make a lot of money in the market. So this will be the end of this live session. I will be waiting for you guys tomorrow. And please go if you are not in my Telegram channel, go to the description box of this video. You will see a link that will lead you to my Telegram page. Click on the link, join my Telegram channel, and don't forget to share the link. Let's share the link. Let's people also come and join us. We are not playing here. We want to make money, and let's try to help people also to make money. So that's the major reason why we are here. So if you still have any question, don't forget to drop your question under my in my Telegram channel or on my WhatsApp page. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.
Yes. Don't close.